Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to design checkout page in WooCommerce. So let's begin. Alright, so this is the checkout page that we have right now. So now we can simply redesign this, okay? So the first thing that we need to do is to go inside the plugins and click on the add new plugin. And here we have to search for, Funnel Kit Funnel Builder. As you can see here that we have Funnel Builder for WordPress. Okay, so we have to install this and click on activate. Now what we need to do, we have to go inside the funnel kit. Alright, so this is the dashboard of our funnel kit. So now from here, what we need to do, we have to go inside the store checkout. Yes, we wanted to create a checkout page. Okay, so now what we need to do, let's just click on create a store checkout. And from here, you will be able to see the different templates here. Some of the templates are the part of free version, and for the some of the templates, you need to upgrade to the pro version. And we also have our templates based on the page editor. So if you're using Elementor, you simply choose the Elementor. But if you're using any other page builder, you can simply go with that option accordingly. Alright, so right now for the template, I'm going to simply choose this template. I think this is looking really great. And now if I just scroll down, you will be able to see this is how the checkout page is looking. And we also have the 2-step and the 3-step checkout page as well. But unfortunately, this is only for the pro version users. Okay, so let's click on the 1-step checkout page that is free to use. And along with that, we also have the 1-click upsell. That is unfortunately the part of pro version, but we also have the thank you page. That is the part of the free version. We can simply use that as well. Okay, so now let's just click on the checkout page. And you can also see here that the checkout page is also a kind of responsive. So let's click here, and if I click on the template, you can see this. The checkout page is responsive here. Okay, so let's go back to the desktop, and now we're gonna simply import this template. So this will be checkout. So let's click on done. Alright, so our checkout page is simply created. Now what we need to do, we have to enable this from here. So let's click on enable store checkout. And now we will simply go back to our checkout page, refresh the page. Now you'll be able to see our new checkout page. Okay, but right now you can see this, we are having this text here. So I just simply want to delete this one. So how can we do this? It's pretty easy. You just have to go to the edit with Elementor. So now let's click on checkout. And now you will be inside the Elementor editor, from where you can simply edit your checkout page. Alright, so right now I'm going to simply remove this part. But if you want to add any other text or heading onto there, you can simply do this. But I'm going to simply remove this and also remove this as well. Okay, so now this is looking fine. And I can also click on our checkout form. And from here, I can do the customization if I wanted to. Okay, so in the customization, we have the form header, we have the collapsed order summary, we have the customer information, we have the coupons, we have the order summary, we have the payment gateways, and we have the checkout button. Okay, so in the form header, we only have an option to enable there. So if I just enable this, you will be able to see the form header here. So if you want to edit the heading and subheading here, you can simply do this. But right now, I'm going to simply disable this. And after this, we have collapsed order summary. So let's click here. So here, as you can see this, we have the collapsed view text. We have the expanded view text. So you can simply edit these values. And you can also see that we have the enable coupon. We also have these other options as well. So if I wanted to disable this collapsible order summary, I can simply disable it from here. Okay. So let's disable this right now. And if I just enable this again, you will be able to see the difference here. Okay, so in a similar way, you can also enable and disable the images. Okay, so after this, we have the customer information. So if I just click here, you can see this in the customer information, we have a lot of the different fields. So if I just click here, you can see this, we have these options in the email, and we also have the similar kind of options in the first name too. So I think we can have the same kind of the options in all of these fields. So if I just click on the email and convert this into 1/2, you will be able to see here that the width of the email field is simply a drop down to the half. So in the similar way, I'm going to go back to the full size. So you can simply customize all of these different fields here as per your need. Okay, so after this, we have the coupon. So in the coupon, if you wanted to change the text of the coupon, you can simply do it from here. And after that, we have the order summary. So if I just click here, So as you can see this in the order summary, we only have the option to enable the image. So if I just disable this, now you can't see the images here in the order summary. So right now I'm going to simply enable this again. And after this, we have the payment gateways. So in the payment gateways, we only have the two things, the heading and the subheading. So if you want to edit the heading or add the subheading, you can simply do it from here. And in the last, we have the checkout button. So in the checkout button, we have the button text, we have the subtext, and we also have the option to enable or disable the icon. So if I just disable the icon, you won't be able to see the icon here. So let's just enable this. And after this, you also have the option to enable the price as well. Okay, so if you don't want to see the price here, you can simply disable this from here. Okay, so now you can see the price here. And in the last, we have these tags here. So if you want to change these tags, you can simply do it from here. Okay, so if I just click back to our form here, if you wanted to do the customization in the styling, you can simply do it. You can see this, we have a lot of the different options here that you can explore by yourself. Okay, so if I just click on the update here, and if I just click on the preview changes, now you won't be able to see the heading here as well. And this is how our checkout page is looking, and this is looking really great. So this is how you can design the checkout page in the WooCommerce. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.